Hello guys, in this video I'm just going to explain if your game is locked right on your PS4 console. For example, I own this game God of War Ragnarok, but still I'm not able to access. You can see this lock button. So in order to unlock it, right, what you need to do is you need to verify on settings. Before that, I just want to show that I have owned this game. So under purchase, right, you can see this. All are locked. Here you can see this God of War Ragnarok. I have won it. So I'm going to fix that. So what you need to do is, you might be using the same user ID on your PS4 console. So in order to fix that, you need to go to settings. So under settings, right, come to account management. First, we need to activate this PS4 as your primary. This PS4 console is not activate as primary. So I'm going to tap this activate. Super cool, it's successfully activated. Next thing, right, you need to restore the licenses. You need to tap restore licenses. If you become unable to use content you downloaded from PlayStation Store, there might be a problem with the license. So I need to restore it. So I'm going to tap this restore. So restoring license. License is successfully restored. So I'm giving OK. Now I'm going to verify on the home screen. Now it should be unlocked. See, all are unlocked. I mean, it is getting unlocked. So Spider-Man also should unlock. Super cool. So now the God of War Ragnarok is unlocked. So now you can start and play the game. So that's it, friends. Now you can start and play the game. So that's it. Hope this video is very much helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please put comments and feedback in media forms. Thank you. Bye and take care.